Welcome learners, welcome to a comprehensive exploration of fundamental elements in C programming. Today we are going to learn about commands, keywords and identifiers. Okay, these are the components form the backbone of code structure, readability and functionality. Let's start with the commands. Comments are the annotations within the code that are not executed by the compiler but provide essential information for the programmers. Okay, it improves the code readability and explain the complex logic very simply. Let's see how the commands will look. Okay, these are the command, that is, if we provide a double slash and write a sentence, then this will consider as a command. If the compiler see the double slash, it think, okay, it's not for mine, just go ahead for another instructions. That is the next line of the program. Then why it is used? It is used for programmers to understand the code. Sometimes if I write a code may not be understood by others, so if I give a command that is that I give a double slash and write a comment, write a sentence, it will be understood by the other programmers. Oh, what is inside this code? The compiler will ignore this. Okay, there is a two types of commands. For single line commands we use the double slashes. For multi-line commands we use the slash and then asterisk. If we want to write a command that comes next line, then we go for a multi-line commands. If the compiler do not read this line, this is for understanding purpose for humans only. Okay, let's go to the next topic. Our next topic is keywords. What is keywords? Keywords are reserved words in a programming language that have a specific meaning and cannot be used as an identifiers or a variable names. Okay, see the examples: int, float, while, return. These are the commonly used keywords in the programming. Actually, what is keywords means? Keywords are the built-in functions. That means it is already written by some other programmers. We just use this keyword in our program to perform the operations. Okay, these are the keywords. Like if we use int, then the compiler understand this is an integer. How the compiler understand this is an integer means that some other program who wrote a low level language, that is understand for compiler, that if int means you should consider this as an integer. So that these are the programs we called as an built-in functions. Actually, keywords are the built-in functions we just use in our program for performing the operations. Yeah. Let's go for a next topic. Okay. The next topic is an identifiers. What does identifier means? Identifiers are a name given to various programming elements such as variable, functions, array, etc. These identifiers are created by the programmers for various purposes. Actually, this is not in built-in functions. It's created by the programmer's choice. If anyone who writes a program can choose the name as an identifiers. Let us see an example for better understanding. Okay, see this. Actually, we see earlier that a 10 is a value that is stored by a variable a. Here, a is an identifier because the user creates the identifier. That is, I am create the identifier a. We can also create a variable name as b, c or some other words. Okay, these are created by my choice only, so we can consider this as an identifier. Let's go for a next example. Here we see the return. I will provide a syntax for functions. Identifier can also used as a function name. If the function name should be provided as an user's choice. Okay, let us see how the function work in the upcoming videos. Okay, there should be several rules to create an identifier. Let us see what is this. If we create an identifier, it should begin with a letter or underscore. It must not begin with the numbers. Identifier should not begin with the numbers. And then the second rule is we can include letters, digits and underscore in the middle of the words. Digits should not come first, but we should include the numbers in between the words, right? And it should be case sensitive. And already I told, right, avoiding keywords using as an identifier, the compiler should confuse and it throws an error. Okay. And one more thing, you should not use a special character includes the identifying names. Special characters like dollar symbol and hyphen, that should not be used for an identifiers. Okay guys, chapter 3 will see in next class. In next class we can see about operators and expressions. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!